Come here, girls. Hey, hey, hey. That's called scaleless. And so these two girls here, these are two examples of what are called scaleless rat snakes. Specifically, these are scaleless Everglades rat snakes.
Oh, yeah,
And so you can see all these bumps and everything, those are scales. They're not 100% scaleless. But these are the scales.
On the side
I
looks
can
like
see
skin.
the skin.
And so this is what's underneath the scales of every single scaled snake. This is what's underneath. This literally is just naturally Mother Nature removing some of the scales. How scaleless an individual is on an individual basis. Some have more, some have less. Even with these two girls, you can see one has more, one has less.
Why do
So-
they have no scales?
So why? We may never know why this happens, how this, but I can explain that this is very rare. All right, you don't normally see this in the wild, and naturally, why anything that you don't normally see, there's a reason. Naturally, it exists, but it kind of shouldn't. All right, but I will say some have more scales, some have less scales. These two girls here, absolutely. This girl right here, this is our dragon snake. We call her name is Dracaria.
It looks like dragon scales on
And yep, and then this girl here, this is Phoenix. She's our fire snake because she is getting ready to shed her skin, probably. I've seen her colors way more attractive. She's not in shed yet, but she's probably getting ready.